Alright now, Mr. Dell, this is how it look. Yeah, yeah, it is not fully completely taken apart, but yeah, I'm getting there. Yeah, that is it right there. Yeah, it's a bit a lot of work, but yeah, this is the differential right here. Here, this is a section of the valve body. Another section contains solenoid. Yeah, this is the final drive. This is the drum. These are the clutch. You have a clutch. These are the pressure plate and steel clutch. The plate for the valve body. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Oil pump, gear, solenoid. The section is over there. Have a lot of section. Solenoid inside here. All these have to be cleaned. This have to be overhauled. That one right there. This one here. This one here. And all these jobs needs to be taken apart. In here contains the seals, the piston. Yeah.